क्या है क्या? तो चॉकलेट देती हूँ तो यू स्माइल. चॉकलेट किसको चाहिए? चॉकलेट चॉकलेट. You want ना?
There you go.
Chocolate, chocolate. You want chocolate? You want? No chocolate? You also want chocolate, chocolate? Good boy.
इसको मैम
Look at you.
गाना था मैंने.
गाना?
अच्छा.
गाना गा?
गाना सुनाएंगे.
गाना गा?
यहाँ पे पिछड़ा इलाका है पूरा. तो यहाँ पे कोई भी स्कूल नहीं था. प्री प्राइमरी स्कूल नहीं था. तो इन यहाँ के लोगों ने हमें बताया कि हमें ऐसे स्कूल चाहिए. तो आर्मी ने ये स्कूल ऑपरेशन बनाना के अंडर यहाँ पे ये बनाया. ये जितना फर्नीचर ऑल थिंग्स हैं ये आर्मी के थ्रू है. टीचर्स ऑल्सो.
Good. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank
for
you so
calling.
much. Thank you. Goodbye. Goodbye.
तो हम अब उस्मान मेमोरियल पहुंच गए हैं यहाँ पर कैटरीना. और उस ब्रिगेडियर उस्मान जो हैं वो बहुत ज़्यादा अहमियत रखते हैं इस जगह के लिए. इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर द लोकल पीपल. वी सॉ दैट हॉस्पिटल, वी सॉ पोस्ट, एवरीथिंग इज ऑन हिज नेम एंड ही इज गोइंग टू टेल अस अबाउट इट.
Brigadier Mohammad Usman, he is the man behind saving Nowshera in the operations of 1947-48 when the operations were on India-Pakistan war. At that time, in October 1947, this part of Nowshera was captured by Pakistani troops. This is Jhangar. He vowed that till the time I don't get it back from the enemy, I won't sleep on cot. He kept his promise till his death. And this was the place where he laid down his life, making the supreme sacrifice for saving his nation. He was decorated with this Mahavir Chakra posthumously.
So here we are. This is as much forward we can go in Indian territory. This is the forward post kitchen.
सभी लोगों का हार्दिक स्वागत है.
बहुत शुक्रिया.
कंपनी की तरफ से एक छोटा सा पेश करते हैं.
Thank you so much. How sweet. That one's for you, I think.
For me?
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you. आज आपने क्या बनाया है?
आज का मेन्यू क्या है?
आज का मेन्यू है चपाती है, राइस है, पकौड़ा कढ़ी है, 2 सब्जियां हैं, आलू और शिमला मिर्च, और दूसरी भिंडी की सब्जी, पुडिंग है, पुडिंग में खीर की सेमी है, सेमी की खीर है, और उसके बाद सलाद है.
Eat. Come, see. Looks like normal set का खाना.
सेट का खाना. This is the.
Oh, this is nice. This I like.
मालूम ये क्या कह रहे हैं आपसे? ये कह रहे हैं कि जो खाना सेट पे मिलता है फिल्म के,
फिल्म सेट पे
पूरा क्रू उसको खाता है, वो यही खाना होता है. तो इसका मतलब आप में और कैटरीना कैफ के खाने में कोई फर्क नहीं है.
मैं तो ये मानूंगा सर, हमारे यहाँ जहाँ जितना बढ़िया कोशिश होती है हम जवानों को.
आपका तो अच्छा होता होगा. हाँ. क्योंकि बम्बई पहुँचते पहुँचते थोड़ा सा उसकी हवा खराब हो जाती है.
ये पूरा रूटीन फूड है सर.
It's hot. It's nice. It's not too spicy. It is spicy.
This aloo is very spicy. So it's got Shimla mirch in it.
This is the thing I love to eat the most. Namaste. Acha. Acha, it's nice and cool here. Not hot.
Very nice.
प्लीज आप लोग खाइए।
आप लोग खाते रहिए, हाँ, हम लोगों को इग्नोर कर दीजिए क्योंकि हमारा खाना जल्दी खत्म हो जाएगा। आपको ज्यादा खाना खाना है, आपको ज्यादा काम करना है। आज का खाना का स्पेशल है कैटरीना जी के लिए कि
नहीं, हमेशा यही खाना होता है हमारा।
अच्छा,
वेरी नाइस एक्चुअली। कितने साल से आप यहीं पे हैं?
हम पिछले 2.5 साल से यहाँ पे।
सब लोग?
जी हाँ।
ओके।
और ओरिजिनली आप लोग कहाँ से?
मैं राजस्थान पाली डिस्ट्रिक्ट हूँ।
और आप लोग?
जयपुर।
आप सब राजस्थान
जयपुर,
से? हरियाणा।
हरियाणा। बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया बात करने के लिए हमसे।
वेलकम।
थैंक यू।
Volleyball at noon.
Good afternoon. Thank you.
You are the champion?
I'm in charge of volleyball team.
In charge of the volleyball team. Okay, fine.
चलो
He hit very badly the ball. Very badly. Not good, not good.
Not bad, Dad.
ये volleyball नहीं है, throw ball.
No, ma'am, you're playing better, ma'am.
I'm playing better than you. Achha, so I should join the team then, I think.
Sure, ma'am.
Okay. Thank you. It's nice to meet you. Good afternoon. Bye.
So, first visit to Kashmir and what is it?
Yeah, it's been unbelievable. I mean, everyone talks about how beautiful it is, but I don't think you ever are quite prepared for how stunning it is. I mean, it looks like, it doesn't look real. Even the colors don't look real. It looks like something out of a fairy tale movie. It's just so beautiful, and then to see this in the midst of it, it's quite a contradiction of sorts. You know, it's quite a unusual thing to see.
When we started, you said that you want to see a slice of real life. I mean, do you think it's real life, or this is also a make-believe sort of a world?
No, yeah, I think it's very much a make-believe kind of a world. I mean, it is it's a life far removed from the one that we have or the one that I have, but yet it is again it's a different sense of reality. It's a different sense of a heightened life. I mean, when we've come here to the farthest border point where the civilians are allowed, and you see where they're staying in the bunkers, and I mean you can't call that normal from any angle. It's a great service that they're doing and a great sacrifice.
Training of the army, which makes you really well-rounded. Do you see the kind of physical training they were doing?
Completely.
Then we went to the mess and the books which were there in the mess and all kind of.
I think that the thing that struck me the most about the nature of all of the Jawans we've met is the politeness of them. Is the gentlemanly behavior of them.
Okay, hi. Namaste. Katrina, meet, I mean,
Finally,
yeah,
women.
finally the women,
आप लोग यहाँ पे रहते हैं? ये आपका बेस है?
You watch movies?
movies are the best friends. This Saturday we have seen Navigina.
उनका रोल कैसा लगा उसमें?
Adventure, that was great. Fight scene, you really did that?
Yeah, I wrote it here also. Everyone asks that somebody else has done it, but actually no, it's me. And also I ride like this, no? So it doesn't look like I'm riding. Yeah, I ride like this, like as if I'm put on I don't look like. Yeah.
So people are just confused that you actually wrote that.
I know, but now when we did some promotion exercise in Mumbai now. I took Ritika for a ride on the bike. Then everyone believed that I can ride after that.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much for
Thank
everything.
you.
I'd like to take the autograph.
Yes, sir.
So this is what they really do in real life. At the Naushera Brigade headquarters, they are just showing us, for our viewers and for you, that how the guns, field guns are assembled, how they are fired, and how fast they are at it.
Ma'am, it's all based on hydraulic system, ma'am. The gun can even fire when it's attached with this vehicle. Now what they are doing is they have detached the vehicle, they open the trails, and then the gun will go down, it will do a 360 and then get redeployed. See.
How many men for one gun?
It basically have a crew of 7.
And why are they jumping around like that?
That is known as a drill, ma'am. Anything that is pre-designed and then you practice it so that at the time of war, when time is at constraint, you need not to think. It's all grilled in with them. So they are doing their drill. This is known as gun drill.
Thank you, बहुत शुक्रिया आप लोगों का, बहुत. They've shown you today, you know, what the whole day, from the bunkers to the forward post to this, that, what they do. Now, surprise. They're going to sing and dance in the evening. So you have to be prepared for that. बहुत शुक्रिया आप लोगों का आने के लिए. और आप लोग जो हैं, हम आप लोगों से बहुत प्रभावित हैं, ये भी बहुत प्रभावित है. बहुत impressed हैं. Tell them how impressed you are. Thank you.
Even they
I
are
like the
impressed.
jump.
Even they are
I like the
impressed.
jumping bit.
चाहत के दो पल भी मिल पाए, दुनिया में ये भी कम है क्या, दो पल को तो आओ हो जाए, पूरे हम है सब है क्या, सेनोरिटा सुनो सुनो सेनोरिटा कहते हैं हम क्या।
फूलों भरी जमी है, हर जर्रा महजबी है, जिस पर अनाज सबको, वो कटरीना कैफ भी नहीं है।
नमस्कार, आदाब, सत श्री अकाल. Really nice to be here. मैं बहुत खुश हूँ यहाँ आके. To meet all of you, it's such a great honor and I'm really